Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Caribbean Queen. First thing we'll do is put some ice in a glass and measure out 1 shot of watermelon schnapps. There we go. Follow that up with 1 shot of triple sec. There we go, triple sec, coming out nicely. Next, we're going to do a half a shot of Malibu rum. Whoops, a little bit on the bar is always good too. Now we'll do 5 ounces of orange juice. That is 5 ounces. And also 3 ounces of lemonade. And last, about a half an ounce of lemon juice. Squirt that on in there. We've got all our ingredients. The last thing we need to do is just mix them up. And spray a little bit of Caribbean Queen on the bar. Try not to get it on yourself. Set up a glass. Whoa, hey. Give it a pour and a straw. And bottoms up.